Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and within this video I'm going to show you step by step how to make an incredible steak topper. Now the best thing about a steak topper is that you can grill an amazing steak and then you can top it with this and have it with a baked potato and you're good to go. Don't even have to fumble with a salad or anything like that, man. But come on over here and I'm going to show you how I do my steak topper. So this is everything washed and chopped up. I got a variety of peppers. I've got some fresh onion and also some fresh mushrooms. This makes an excellent assortment for a steak topper. So basically all I'm going to do, I've got this container, and these work great for this. You can find it linked within this video's description, but I'm just going to take all of this and I'm going to put it in this container, because the good thing about this is that you can go ahead and prepare this so that your steak topper is ready to cook whenever the time hits. And by marinating this in the refrigerator, I'd do it all day. It really soaks up the flavor. Now I'm going to show you what I put in here. You can chop up some garlic clove too. That's a really good thing to add to it, but I was out of garlic cloves. So I've got this here. And now we're going to add the stuff here. I'll show you. This is a simple way to do it, and this stuff is very salty, so it doesn't take a lot, and you can find it linked within this video's description. But I put this on, and then what I'll do is put go ahead and put just some butter in there. And then I'll take it over to the sink. And I just added a little bit of water. So now I can put the cover on and put that in the refrigerator, and then whenever I'm ready to cook my steak topper, it's all in there. I've got a little bit of water. I've already got the marinade. I've got the butter. So then it's ready to cook. So I'll grill my steaks, and when they're on the grill, then I start cooking this.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.